So what I'm holding here in my hand is the analog power supply from a Trinnov Altitude 32. One of the key differences compared to the Altitude 16. This power supply feeds the DUC boards and also the Trinnov audio control boards. That makes it very sensitive for overall sound quality. So what we change here is, we change a lot of course, but the main things are the reservoir caps, for example. Then we change the bridge rectifier. The bridge rectifier we put out and take 4 separate fast switching diodes, and they are equipped with tuned snubber. And we also change the common mode filtering here and of course the high frequency filtering overall on that unit. What I like to show you now is one special point which is very important for the overall quality. And we have here one particularly sensitive part, and that is the line what goes from the main rail to the regulator what feeds the TUC boards. There is a filter choke inside, also original, and we not only change this filter choke to a better one, so with less resistance and all that. That is what we normally always do, but here we do something special, because we realized if we take the standard values you can take normally, that the one value was the one who is a little too small, sounds a little thin, so the sound stage is not grounded really. It's the tonality is a little up to the upper mid range, and it's all a little too thin sounding. And the next value, the next higher value, is already too heavy and compressed, and so there we like to have exactly something in the middle. So what we do here is really that we take the bigger coil and then we really fine-tune this one, and that means we do it by reducing the windings, and we really make a lot of tests about that, and we turn off the windings to exactly this point where this sound is exactly what we like to have. So that is one special point, that we use this component on that point really, because that's a very sensitive point, because it's directly connected to the main rail here what goes to the DUC boards. That means every issue and every noise what the regulator is putting backwards to this rail will reach directly the DUCs, and of course then the sound quality is reduced. And the filtering there is really important, that you fit exactly the point where the sound stage and the tonality and all that is like we expect. And that is one special point on that. So we not only modify all components what are important here, we also fine-tune the complete filtering here for the regulator of the TUC board regulators here. So thank you for listening. We see us the next time.